Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how DialMyCalls can be used to quickly send out an automated call, text message, and email to all of your contacts at once. Once you've signed up for an account and have verified your number to use for texting, you can send out your first broadcast. Click on Broadcast and New Broadcast to start the process of sending out your message. Select Phone Call, Text Message, and Email and click Next. Now you will select the contacts that you want to receive your message and click Next. For the phone call, select the caller ID you want to use and click Next. You will now select the recording that your recipients will receive and click Next. The text message will be next, so select your verified texting number and then choose a text message template or type out a new message and click Next. The email will automatically add your text message into the email message box. If you do not wish to change any of the text, click Next to proceed. Choose whether you want to send your broadcast out immediately, schedule it for a later date and time, or set up recurring messages. You can also name your broadcast, which is strictly for your records. Once done, click Next. Preview your broadcast on the confirmation page and ensure all of the details are accurate. If everything looks correct, click Confirm and Send. Once confirmed, your broadcast will go out immediately to all of your contacts. You are able to generate a social media link if you'd like to share your broadcast on your social pages. To view the detailed reports of your broadcasts, click on Broadcast and Broadcast Reports. From the Reports page, you will see the phone call, text message, and email broadcasts. Click on Email, Text, or Call to bring up the individual report. Each call, text, and email will have a status next to the contact's name to let you know if the message was successful or not. You are also able to generate a downloadable CSV file of each report to keep for your records. And that's it. You just use your DialMyCalls account to send out an automated call, text message, and email. If you have any additional questions, please contact us toll-free at 800-928-2086, by email at support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.